morning, children. We will continue the chapter 7 of civics about urban administration. Remember, in the previous class we have learnt that I have explained in the previous video there are some work of the urban administration, municipal corporation over the 10 lakh people population. There is municipal corporation. We have learned many features of it. They have to look after and provide some civic amenities, health, education, roads, lights, repairments and so many things. For that they need money. So from where the sources of income, from where do they get this income to do this education, health, electricity supply, water supply, road repairment, lights on the road, and these all work, okay, and providing good parks, all that. So they get money from where? So they get money, collection of taxes from houses and property. So you can go to page 244. It's given there on the right hand side. Collection of house tax and property tax. When you buy or sell the property, you have to pay a tax on your house tax. Tax from octroi. Octroi duty means when something or कोई भी माल या goods ना कोई भी चीज़ दूसरी शहर से हमारे शहर में जब आता है, for entering that goods into our city they have to pay some tax. That is octroi. Octroi means taking a tax on the goods which is entering our city. Okay, कोई भी बाहर से सामान अगर हमारे गोरखपुर आता है, so we have to pay tax for it. Okay, especially the goods. Fee on registration, if you are doing registration of birth, ना हम लोग के घर में कोई पैदा हुआ है, उसका birth certificate बना रहे हैं, या somebody has died, you have to pay some fees on that money. And then entertainment tax, movie tax, you go to buy, you purchase tickets for the fairs and movies, there is tax from there. The municipal corporation takes money. Motor vehicle registration, if you have a vehicle you have to do registration of it. So tax from the toll, when you cross to the toll plaza, na toll tax aata hai, you have to pay money there, that money. Business and occupation, if you are a businessman or you are doing any job, you have to pay after a certain amount we have to pay a tax. You are paying water tax and electricity tax. Service tax, parking fees, you are parking your vehicles and all. For parking that much area you are occupying, you have to pay 10 rupees, 20 rupees, whatever per hour or 2 hours. And then some money is given by government also. So all this money is collected, and this money we are paying, the people. Our house tax, our vehicle tax, birth certificate tax, our occupation or business tax, service tax, so many taxes we are paying. So that money they use for the providing facilities in the cities. Other than these taxes, the state government also gives money to the municipal corporation for repairments or doing some development work in that particular city. Okay, this is the income source, the taxes that we are paying, the fees that we are paying. Subcontracting. Now, in present day, many municipal corporations give away some of the tasks. कुछ काम जो है municipal corporation private companies को दे देती है, जैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल लेना, वाटर बिल लेना, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना. That they will do the work, but some amount of it they will give to the corporation, municipal corporation. For example, they may give electricity distribution and collection of electricity bills to the private agencies. They give away contracts for the collection of parking fees also. If you are going to a mall or anywhere, you are parking your bike, your scooty, your car. There also you have to pay fees for parking your vehicle. That money also, collection of that money is also given to some private agencies or companies. Those agencies will collect these fees or this amount. Some amount they keep and some they have to give to the municipal corporation. Okay, so they take a monthly fees from the contractor. So these contractor of local, the private companies, they have to pay some fees every month to the municipal corporation, that is subcontract. They are giving the duty or work to the private company or agency, and they take monthly income from that company or agency. Okay, now what is the relationship between the people in the city and the government? Now there is a large difference between city and village. Village people are less in number, so they can have every now and then a Gram Sabha. They can have a meeting in rural areas where all the members or one member from each family can participate, because there is population is less. This cannot happen in the city, and it's a big area where all the people from every one house one member allowed to, or every now and then meeting is not possible. Okay, so this people are more here, people are more educated also in cities, therefore councillors keep a check on the functioning of committee. So the council, they have, in the cities there are different committees. So these councillors whom we have chosen from each ward, they will keep on checking whether the people in the committee are working properly or not. They are also conscious if we will not work properly, maybe health department, education department, or any department in the city, if they do not work properly, they know the next time the people will not choose us. Okay, so they are conscious if they do not fulfill their responsibility towards the people, they would not be elected the next time. Despite all this, there are always, ये सब होने के बाद भी, some people do not their work properly. Some people do not do their work properly. Okay, so there is possibility that some people in some zone, some locality, some ward are dissatisfied. Some people are not happy. Na? Maybe even after so much of work, कुछ लोग खुश नहीं हैं. Maybe they feel that there is no proper arrangement of electricity, water, road, transportation in the city. So these people can convey their anger or resentment or polite or dukh or ingredient, means the kashт उन्हें हो रहा है because of the no electricity, water, road, whatever, no garbage collector, means कूड़ा उठाने वाला नहीं है, कोई भी एक problem है, they want to convey it to the council or mayor. Okay, so how they can do? There are different ways. They can approach the concerned department directly by writing a complaint or application. So if it is related to water department, education department, maybe no, the municipal department, the garbage is not collected from my locality, so they all should write an application, and then they can go to directly to the department and submit their application, so that the action is taken for it. They may also seek help or meeting with the councillors and sending a request. So they also, even after their request is not fulfilled, then they can write an application to the councillors that we need to have a meeting with you regarding our problem. So they will ask an appointment with the councillors by writing an application. They also may start a signature campaign. Maybe there is a problem, then all the people put their signature, yes, we agree that we need this. Okay, so many people can't go from the locality, so there is a signature campaign जिसमें सब अपना signature करते हैं that yes, I agree, I need this help, or this should be removed, whatever it is. Okay, and they will launch a protest peaceful march. Protest march means peaceful march, not that burning the vehicles, that is against. Okay, breaking buildings not allowed. You can have a protest march, peaceful march. They may approach the court also if they feel that they are not getting the rightful conditions, even after approaching and writing applications. So we know that in city everything is not possible. So if their demands are not fulfilled in your locality, in your colony, you can write the application to the department. Also, if it is not full, you can write an application and seek a meeting or appointment with the councillors. You can also hold a signature campaign. You can also have a march. What march? Protest march, peaceful. And also you can approach the court if you are not getting better living conditions even after approaching many times. Okay. Now municipal corporations today are very concerned about environment. They may take measures to keep environment clean so that people get healthy environment. So municipal corporation provides clean drinking water, clean locality, the garbage collector comes, okay, kuda wali gaadi aati, clean water supply and so many other facilities they provide which is environment friendly. They take pride in improving the living conditions of the citizens, but all their efforts have a cost. So they always try that हमारे शहर में best facility हो, good transportation, good road, good lights, health, education, everything. But for all that we have to pay money. Without money nothing will happen. If you want to have good road, you need to pay. The corporation need to spend some money for it. Okay, and all these are met with the taxes which we are paying. So ये सारी जो demands fulfill होती हैं, the requirements are done with the help of the taxes that we are paying. So if you want more facilities, we have to pay for it as well. So if we damage any of the property, maybe we are breaking street light, maybe dirtying the park, breaking the things in the park, throwing the dustbin here and there, or in bus we are making some misuse of breaking windows or seat, tearing the seats, okay, or public building, if you are going to any public building and all, if you make it dirty, break or tear it, it would cost municipal corporation money to repair it, and that money they use that money which we are paying as tax. So our money is spent on that. So we should try that our money which we are paying as tax to use for the further improvement. Should not be waste only on repairing things which we are wasting. So when you go next time to any park, any public place, any bus, see that you do not use it properly. Do not tear or make it dirty. Keep it clean. Okay. So this is how the chapter is over about the urban administration. Okay. So read this chapter. Sources of income. From where do they get? Subcontracting, people and government in cities. How they can approach the committees or corporation. Alright. And also keep in mind we have to take care of the things which is provided to us. So study well, take care, bye, have a good day.